You ask, what are we doing? Driving a Freightliner. Avocado, you don't like Freightliners.
Hold up, you don't know? Truck of avocado. Truck of avocado.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to another trucking vlog. That's right, everybody. We are back on the road after today makes 1 week that I got off my truck, my Kenworth T680 for CFI. So you ask, what are we doing? Driving a Freightliner. Avocado, you don't like Freightliners. What are you doing? This is what my new company gave to me. I'm not gonna tell you exactly who I work for yet. You will have to figure it out on your own. So we do have a Cascadia. We have a 2020. I'm a little thirsty, hang on. We do have a 2020 Freightliner Cascadia, and so far this is my first load. I'm actually going to pick up a load right now. I'm gonna go pick up my first load right now. 1310 clearance. We are 13.6, so we are good. So with that being said, we are headed to Crete, Nebraska. We are in Nebraska. We're headed to Crete, Nebraska. This is my first load. We're doing reefer now, guys. We're doing refrigerated trailers now. So that's something I'm, glad to try out. And we're headed to Chicago, Illinois. And this new Freightliner, it's pretty smooth. I can't lie. It's definitely smoother than the last freight shaker. Ooh, wow, it's windy, guys. And I'm bobtailing over there because they didn't have a where I was at, there was no empties, no empty reefer trailers. So when you guys find out who I work for, you guys have to let me know in the comments down below. All right. So like I said, we're going to Crete, Nebraska. We're about 24 miles away, and we'll be headed to Chicago, Illinois, and then from there, I don't know, I should be going home sometime this week. But I did let my my fleet manager, oh no, excuse me, my asset manager know that I could be home on by Friday. Spend a couple more days home, and then I'm gonna be coming out. So be on the lookout for a 30-day review of the company that I'm working for. Once you find out who the hell I work for, once you find out, you guys let me know in the comment below. But anyways, guys, we're gonna go ahead and pick up our loaded trailer. It is preloaded already, and then we will be headed to Chicago, Illinois, and our fuel stop is at a Pilot, which I'm not too happy about, but hey, it is what it is. I still get points and showers and all that good stuff. And anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace. All right, guys, so we're about 2.7 miles from where we will be picking up. I have the satellite view available here. Man, I'm not gonna lie, I guess these new Freightliners, this is a 2020 Freightliner Cascadia, by the way. I guess these new Freightliners are really good. The ride has been pretty smooth so far. So we're gonna see how it works when we have a trailer. Now, the good thing about this Freightliner Cascadia is it doesn't have none of that beeping stuff. Speed limit is 60, but we're only going 55 because it's a bit windy. So this load I'm supposed to pick up here is supposed to be a heavy load, like 42,000 pounds or something like that. So we're gonna see how this works out, because I don't know if I've never hauled reefer before, so I don't know if that's like a good weight to have on a reefer, because you know the reefer has weight on it. So we got to make a left up here in 1.3 miles. I do, however, want to get this GPS a little bit mounted more up, but I left the mount at home. I think I'm gonna mount it right there. But yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Alright, now, so in 0.9 miles, we're gonna make this left. I can't tell you how excited I am about this opportunity here. Really, I can't wait to see what the future holds for me here. Because everything I've heard about this company has been really good, so we're gonna see. Now I don't have anything against CFI, but CFI is a great starter company, but I just don't believe long term it was gonna do me any good to be over at CFI. Jeez Louise. My.
Turn at the first left onto County Road I.
Alright, we're gonna make this left here. And this is where we will be picking up here, so alright, so the truck entrance is right here to the right. There's quite a bit of a bump here. Alright, and we're gonna turn right here for the truck entrance. And alright, let's go ahead and check in, and then we will hook up to our trailer. So see you guys in just a bit. Alright guys, we're gonna go find our trailer number 838658. Alright, I guess let's wait for him to do what he has to do. Pretty simple check-in here. All right. Through here. Oh, well, damn. All right. All right, let's see what we got going on here, baby. Oh, right here, 838658. All right. Tuck test is good. All right, let's go ahead and connect everything. Well, I guess you guys know what company I work for now. All right. Nice and easy. So we got, all right. Nice and easy. Check the fuel gauge here. We are 3/4 of a tank. All right, guys. So I guess now you guys know who I work for. Alright, we're gonna do a light test. Huh. I don't know, I guess these lights aren't turning. That one's not working. Alright. Okay, so I guess that light isn't working. So we're actually gonna go back to the shop and I guess fix it. It is Sexy Beast. She needs a wash. Alright, so pre-trip is all good. Let's fill out the paperwork and get back to the shop, I guess. Alright. Oh. All right, guys, so we're all good. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so right now we're gonna fuel here. We're at the pilot in Iowa, somewhere in Iowa. You gotta enter this code here. All right, let's go ahead and put this in here. Go ahead and grab our handy dandy gloves. And a fuel here. Alright. Grab this side. Our windshield. I gotta clean that on the inside, I think. I need to get a good cleaning on these windows one day. Those are done. I'm glad this load was able to get me onto the night driving here, because you know how I feel about day driving. Only 35 gallons because we had fueled up at the terminal here before we left earlier. chilly. Kinda chilly this morning. And windy. It was so windy yesterday, guys. Oh my goodness. Need to get a truck wash, but we'll do that when we get a trailer wash out. All right, let's go on and move forward for the reefer. Oh, I forgot to put her in neutral. Alright, let's see. That seems about right. Right up here. Alright, first time fueling up a reefer and it's a success. It was at like a little under a quarter. Like I said, might as well just fill it up. Cause I damn sure don't want to run out of reefer fuel on my first load. Guys, and that's literally all she wrote for now. All right, let's see if I can get this closed. All right, guys, I'll see you later on today when we get to the receiver, or if anything interesting comes up along. Peace from the Middle East, my friends.